Flack math! Give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Flack math!
Okay, so we're just finishing up 96 here. So distributive property. You guys remember when you have this, I don't know if we did this or not. I think we did. When you're multiplying one thing times two things inside of parentheses, what you're doing is you're multiplying the A not just times the B or not just times the C by both of them. So A times B plus C is A times B plus A times C. So remember, in multiplication with variables, you can just write AB and AC, because that just means A times B. All right, this is called the distributive property. Okay, so we're going to try this with some examples here. So here is example 2A. So I want you to distribute that 2 to both of those. So each of those gets multiplied by 2. And what do you end up with? You guys know?
Okay. I don't know what X is, so I don't know how to complete the problem.
Okay, so what?
You don't have to know what X is.
I'm thinking 2x minus 6.
That's it. That's it. That's all you do. 2 times x is just 2x. 2 times 3 is 6, but you're subtracting it, so minus 6. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Let's try this. How do you do this one? What do you end up with?
Negative 2x plus negative 6.
Perfect. That's it. That's not bad, right? Let's skip down. Let's keep going. Let's try C here. Negative 2 times x minus 3. I mean, it's going to try to trick you, but you're not going to fall for it. What is this?
Negative 2 minus positive 6.
So minus negative 6 or plus 6. So if it's easier, you can chicken scratch, bok bok. So negative 2x, right? And then plus a negative times a negative is a positive. So there's that. All right, last one. Last one is x times x minus 3. What do you get?
Negative x minus
X, what's x times x?
x squared.
Squared, good.
Minus 3x.
Good, perfect, that's it. Okay, that's the distributive property. So in example 3, we're just gonna simplify. So parentheses are like the enemy of simplifying. So when you see parentheses, you try to get rid of them. And usually the way to get rid of parentheses is to distribute. So do you see what we're distributing here? Right there. So what do I end up with? Well, this is the same. There's no parentheses here, so I'm going to rewrite those. And then what am I left with here?
3x minus negative 6.
So minus 6.
Oh, yeah.
Or plus negative 6. Okay. So then look, these guys can combine, right? Because you can only combine x's with x's. So then my final answer is x squared plus, what's this combined to?
X.
Huh. So that's, I fooled you because now we're adding. So we're not multiplying, now we're adding. So you have to kind of switch gears in the middle of the problem. You were just multiplying with distributive property, but now you're doing 2x plus 3x, which is 5x, right? So don't be fooled by that. All right, I'm gonna just do, so just to review, and because I forgot to record, Lesson 95, remember the volume of a right solid is just area of base times height. Okay, so it depends on what the base is. If it is a rectangular solid, then area of base equals length times width times height. If it is a triangular solid like this, well, to find the area of that base, that's 1/2 base times height of the triangle times the height of the prism. So don't mix up those heights. And then the last one, if you have a cylinder, well, this base is just pi r squared times height. Okay, so you need the radius, you need the height, and then you can find the volume. All right, are you guys good?